Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to Instagram highlight covers. So at first open Instagram and you need to first create a story. And then click on to share option. Click on to share. And then showing here to add to highlight option, just click on to add and then press on done. Okay, now let's get to check. Look here my new highlights. So that's it. That's how we can easily Instagram highlight covers.